Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss the naming conventions in Java. Actually, what are these naming conventions? They're often called as set of rules which need to be obeyed while naming a class or an object or methods or variables. And yes, and the important point which is valid for all these four things is these names must not be keywords. So let's get started. So when you're writing class, like when you're naming a class, so you have to name it like this. You have to name it in camel case. First letter of the uh, class name must be capital, and next the new word first letter must be capital. This is how you name a class and followed by your code. And this is how you name an object, create an object, instantiate an object. Hello world, and there's your object name followed by new operator, sorry, new keyword, and followed by the hello world constructor. And next I'll show you how to name methods. So methods must have a return type followed by a method name followed by parentheses. Here you can have args, that means you can have the parameters or arguments, followed by the braces, and here you'll write the code. So if you observe the difference between a class and a method, like name of a class and name of a method, see, the first letter must be lowercase, but in class the first letter must be in uppercase, and the new word which you're writing must be in capital. Here applies the same for class. So that's how you name a method followed by return some value. This is how you write a method. And next, let's come to variables. This video would be a short one because it's easy. And next, variables. See, variables must not start with, like, it must not be a keyword, but it can start with an underscore, or it can start with lowercase letters. In some cases, it must only start with lowercase letters, and it must not start with numbers. It can have numbers inside them, like at the in the middle or at the back, but it must not start with numbers. So let me give you a quick example. Let's say int a assigned to 10, assigned to 20, and int int a equals to 10, and so yes, that's it. So that's with variables, and I'll demonstrate you what if I give the keywords as the identifiers. So quickly I copied the keywords list because there are many of them. So there are somewhere around 55. So I quickly copied from W3 schools because I might miss one or two. So let's let's see what happens if we give a keyword as a variable name or a object name or a constructor name or a class name. So yeah, let's start. So there's my hello world program. So class, first let's demonstrate what happens if we give uh, like a keyword as a class name. Let's write class again, class. So followed by, let's write something, int a equals to 10. Let's give multiple this thing, int, let's say boolean. Let's copy this, let's paste this, equals to 10. And next let's write main method. Sorry, let's create a method for this. So int uh, method name is, let's say, import, followed by parentheses, and followed by this thing, and followed by the braces. And next let's write enter, and let's write boolean, which is a data type, sorry, it's a variable. Let's write the main method, simply write main. So in this main method, let's create an object for the class, which is our class. Now let's write another, let's write this keyword interface as my object name, assigned to new class, followed by parentheses and this. So I would like to call the import method using this interface object, interface dot import by semicolon. Let's save this, and when I run this I'll just show you what happens. Let me just compile this. See, got 25 errors. 25 errors. That means, wait a minute. Let's clear my screen quickly. Let's compile this. Yes. Guess what happens when you give the keywords as your variable name. So never do that. So yes. And next thing is, those are all the keywords. You can refer them at w3schools.com and just read, go through once. Like, all the keywords are not important. Just go through, just for namesake. So that's how you write variables. That's how you. Those are the naming conventions for Java. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, do follow me on my Instagram account. Peace. And the link is in description.